Typhoon H Arm Replacement. The first step is to remove the landing gear. Flip the unit over and remove the two screws securing the landing gear module. Slide the landing gear modules out by lifting them straight up. Repeat these steps for the other side. Next, we will remove the LED lens cover. After removing the two screws, lift the LED lens cover. Next, we'll remove the screws that hold the body to the airframe. Once all the screws have been removed, flip the unit over and fold down the arms. Mark the arm that needs to be replaced. In this instance, we used electrical tape. To remove the top from the bottom body, squeeze the top body near the arms to release the locking tabs. Go around the entire body until all the tabs have been removed. Once all the tabs have been released, the top will separate from the bottom. Unplug the GPS module and set the top aside. Flip the unit over and spread out the arms. Remove the camera quick disconnect. Lift the quick disconnect up and disconnect the connector. Remove the bottom body and set it aside. Removing the bottom body will expose the connecting bolt for each arm. Disconnect the LED connector from the main board and separate the three motor wires. The three motor wires will have a tight connection and requires a lot of force to separate the two halves. Next, we'll remove the bolt that connects the arm to the airframe. Slide the bolt out and the arm will release from the airframe. Grab a new arm and prepare it for installation. Slide the three motor wires through the slot in the arm opening. Route the LED wire through the side of the frame. Slide the arm onto the frame, lining up the holes to the mounting position. Once aligned, slide the bolt through the holes securing the arm to the airframe. Next, plug in the LED connection wire to the main controller board. Now connect the three motor wires together. Ensure that you are connecting red to red, black to black, and blue to blue. Tuck the wires down to allow the motor to fold up and down without being pinched. Rear arm motor wires must be tucked down into the frame to avoid interference with the GPS module. Next, we'll install the bottom body. We will want to route the antenna wires properly. On the right side of the body, the antenna wire goes through the landing gear exit port. We also want to make sure the other connection wires are free. This includes the module wire and camera quick disconnect. On the left side of the body, the antenna wire goes through the left vent. Next, we want to inspect all wires are free and clear of all mounting points. Once satisfied, flip the unit over and install the camera quick disconnect. These connectors can only go in one way. Do not force the connection. Tuck the wires inside the body. Install the 3 screws for the camera quick disconnect. Place the button cover onto the button. Attach the GPS module to the main controller board. Next, we'll snap the top body to the bottom body. Go around each arm and snap each connector in place. Be careful in this process as the tabs are fragile and can easily be broken. Once the top is secured to the bottom body, flip the unit over and secure the 2 halves together with body screws. Next, we'll remove the old lens cover using a specialized tool supplied by Unique. Place the tool onto the LED lens cover and twist with a downward force towards the unlocked direction. Remove the LED module and disconnect the connector. Connect the LED module to the new arm and secure it to the motor pod using 2 screws. Place the LED lens cover onto the new arm and use the tool in the same fashion to lock it in place. Ensure the LED lens cover is secured. Next, remove the propeller quick disconnect from the old motor. Make sure to hold down the quick disconnect as it is spring loaded. Once separated, take the spring that is centered on the motor and button and place it onto the new motor. Center the button on the spring and line up the mounting holes on the motor. Test the button to make sure it's functioning properly before tightening the screws. Test the propeller installation and removal. Next, install the landing gear modules. Slide the landing gear module down into the slot until it locks in place. Repeat this for the other side. Secure the landing gear modules using 2 screws each. Slide the camera onto the airframe to complete the repair.